Welcome to our ERC overview. This short video was created to provide information about the Employee Retention Tax Credit Program, commonly known as ERC. This program was first introduced in the CARES Act on March 25, 2020. ERC offers a payroll tax credit for 2020 and 2021, which equals a total of up to $26,000 per full-time W-2 employee. That means if your business has 10 full-time W-2 employees, your refund could be as high as $260,000. If your business has 100 full-time W-2 employees, your refund could be as high as $2,600,000. Since this program is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, you can take advantage of ERC with as little as one full-time W-2 employee or a maximum of 500 full-time W-2 employees. But remember that part-time W-2 employees' payroll taxes will also be considered in the calculations. This tax credit is a cash refund, not a loan like the PPP loan program was. This money will be paid to the business owner by a check from the IRS, but just like your personal and business income taxes, you must file a claim for it. The government's not just going to send you a check. It's just like filing your taxes. This program is very complex, requiring exact presentation of data, which is why we recommend that you have our experienced, professional tax specialists prepare the paperwork and submit it to the IRS on your behalf. As of July 1, 2023, we have successfully prepared over 70,000 ERC applications. Remember, with your ERC claim, you can only apply once. If you mess it up, you cannot submit another claim. It's very important to note that the Employee Retention Credit, ERC, is not a government handout program, but a return of the monies that you have paid to the Treasury for Social Security and Medicare taxes. Once again, ERC is not a loan. It doesn't have to be paid back. You can use the refund in any way you want. You can reward all the employees that stayed with you, buy new equipment for your business, update your business operations, purchase additional inventory, or even buy a new building. You can even use the money to repay any loans you may have taken out to keep your business open during COVID. Many business owners even remortgage their homes to keep their businesses open. You can pay off those loans, buy a boat, pay off credit card debt, or anything else that you want to do with the money, as it's yours to keep, and again, it does not have to be repaid. Unfortunately, we have run into many business owners that have been told by their bookkeepers, accountants, and even their CPAs that they don't qualify for ERC because of their misunderstanding of the ERC laws. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Remember, the ERC laws have changed many times since 2020. Many financial people only consider the financial aspect, but this program is both financial and legal. There are hundreds of pages of IRS guidelines that control this program. And if you only consider early provisions of the CARES Act, which have been changed, it's easy to believe that you don't qualify. But wouldn't you like to know for sure? But almost every business was affected by the government mandates, restrictions, lockdowns, shutdowns, and supply chain issues that were created. It's our job to figure out how much you were affected. Please don't disqualify your business from money that you deserve because of government decisions that were made that you had no control over. We're here to help you get your maximum refund. Originally, a business didn't qualify if they didn't lose money. That has changed. We know of many businesses that actually had increased revenues during COVID and they qualified for ERC refunds. We know that because we've helped those businesses as well. In many cases, we have independent CPAs that have referred their clients to us because they just don't have the time or the expertise to handle the claims. Don't let the total amount of money refunded to you be based upon someone's opinions with limited knowledge and experience. While submitting an ERC claim is very complex, we're not asking you to interrupt your normal business operations just to do the filing. Our job is to accurately file your claim. While the IRS does require some existing tax documents to be submitted along with your application. These documents are standard forms that you already filed with your 2020 and 2021 income taxes. Your refund is also based upon how we support your claim based upon your experiences. Our detailed experience in supporting ERC claims is why we have attained better results than the industry average for our clients. To process your claim, We will need documents that you submitted during 2020 and 2021. We will also need your quarterly tax documents 941s for 2020 and 2021. Our experienced onboarding specialist will help you submit those through our secure file transfer system. Then we'll work with you to document your COVID experiences to make sure you get the maximum refund possible. With just some basic contact information and your estimated number of employees in 2020 and 2021, we can provide an initial estimate of your refund. But only after we collect and analyze your documents with our specialized software, we will then be able to provide an exact estimate of what your refund will be. Once you submit your documents to us, we only need a couple of weeks to create your claim. When we determine that your claim is ready, and with your permission, we'll file your claim with the IRS and wait for them to process it. The time it takes to process your claim depends on the IRS. Sometimes it's as short as 60 days. Sometimes it's longer. If you file around April 15th or October 15th, you should plan to wait longer. Remember, we guarantee that our calculations are correct. We also guarantee that our filings with the IRS as a paid preparer are compliant with program rules and regulations. We provide long-term audit support and carry errors and omissions insurance coverage with a $1 million limit per claim. We use proprietary software to perform calculations to eliminate human error in doing the math for your claim. Remember that you will have dedicated onboarding specialists that make sure your process works smoothly and ends with the maximum benefit to your business. Our CPAs and enrolled agents will prepare all your filing documents, then we send them to you for your signature and forward them to the IRS for payment. Only after you receive your refund check from the IRS, you will be asked to pay the agreed upon fee for our services. If you don't qualify for a refund, for whatever reason, you owe us nothing. So you have nothing to lose by applying to see if you qualify. By the way, the IRS says that 80% of businesses in America probably qualify for ERC funds. As of July 1, 2023, the IRS indicated that only 20% of businesses that should qualify have applied. That means 80% of American businesses are still eligible. But many businesses either don't know about the program or have been told they don't qualify for the program by someone who doesn't fully understand the program. If you think that the ERC program is too good to be true, please go to www.irs.gov and enter ERC in the search bar to review the hundreds of pages on the ERC COVID program. The data presented about ERC should remove your concerns. Remember that there was over $2.2 trillion designated by the government for small to medium businesses just like yours that was designed to help recover some of the losses they experienced during COVID. We can make this complex process less complex and get the maximum money that you deserve as quickly as you can. Remember, the refund money is there, but you must apply for it just like you do on your income taxes. Once again, our mission is to make sure that no business tax refund is left unpaid. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the phone number or email address shown in the email that I sent you. Thank you for your time and consideration.